Hello guys, welcome to High Tech Institution. In this video, we are going to see some of the Python interview question and answer. Python is seeing a huge opponent right now. Now, you clicked on this video, I'm damn sure you're looking forward to learning and understanding some of the most important questions in Python that have the highest probability of being asked in your Python interviews. Since Python is a programming language which has vast scope, so we came up with some of the Python interview questions. This video is mainly for freshers or beginners. So make sure you guys watching the video from the start, and for more future videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you found my videos helpful, then please share my videos with your friends and colleagues. Now we'll move on to the video. The first question is, what is Python? This question is frequently asked in all the interviews. So Python is a high-level interpreted and general-purpose programming language. General-purpose programming is nothing but object-oriented programming language. Python has simple syntax and easy to learn that emphasizes readability, and therefore it also reduces the cost of the program maintenance. Moreover, the language is more capable of scripting and also completely open source and support third-party packages and code reusable. The next question is, what is keyword? Keyword is nothing but a special reserved words that have specific meaning and purposes and cannot be used for anything but those specific purposes. Here we can see some of the keywords like break, class, continue, except, finally, false, else, lambda. So these are the keywords which we are using in Python. Python keywords are different from Python built-in functions and data types. We cannot use this keyword as a variable name or function name or any other identifier. They are used to define the syntax and structure of Python language. In Python, the keywords are case sensitive. Next question is how to print without a new line in Python. Here we can take two print statement like print hello and also print world. So now we can see the output printed in two lines like hello in the first line and world in the second line. But if we customize the value of end with the empty quotes like this, the print hello comma end equal to empty quotes, then the output will be in the same line like hello world. So this is the absolute answer for the question which is given above. Next question is, what are list and tuples? What is the key difference between the two? List and tuples are both sequence data types that can store a collection of objects in Python. The objects stored in both sequence can have different data types. Mostly, the list can be represented with square bracket. Here we can see inside the square brackets, we have some of the data like Sarah 6 and 0.19. So usually we represent the list in the square bracket, while the tuples can be represented with parentheses. But the key differences between the two is that while the lists are mutable and the tuples are immutable, which means the list can be non-mutable. So what is mutable in the sense that list can be modified, appended, or sliced, but the tuples can be constant and cannot be modified in any manner. So this is the major difference and key difference between the list and tuples. Next question is, what is parse in the Python? So parse is nothing but a keyword which is used to represent a null operation in Python. It is generally used for purpose of filling up the empty blocks of codes which may execute during runtime, but has yet to be written. Without the parse statement, In the following code, we may run into some error during the code execution. Here we can see on example def my function. Inside the function, I've just simply put pass keyword. Then I've called my function. So inside my function, I just filled up with pass keyword, which means it represents the null operation. The next question is, what is lambda in Python? Why it is used? Lambda is nothing but, we call it as anonymous function. Anonymous function is nothing but the function without the name is called as anonymous function. It is generally used in situation requiring an anonymous function for a short time period. Lambda function can be used in either of two ways. One is assigning lambda function to a variable. Another one is wrapping lambda function inside another function. So assigning lambda function to a variable is nothing but here I've created one variable. To that variable, I assigned the lambda function. The variable name is here mul. Then I printed my variable, then I will get output for the lambda function. Wrapping the lambda function inside the another function is nothing but inside one function, I'm going to wrap the lambda function. At last, I'm going to print it. So here you can see inside the function, I've returned my lambda function. Then I printed it. Also, I've called my function. Well, guys, this is all from my side in this video. I'll keep coming back with more such videos. Stay tuned. I'll see you very soon with a new video. Thank you. Bye bye.